Remove duplicates from a sorted array, in place, with no extra space. Sounds easy? In interviews, 40% of candidates make off-by-one errors on this problem. There's a clean-to-pointer technique that solves it in 5 lines. Let's see how. Here's the problem. You have a sorted array in ascending order. Remove duplicates in place, don't create a new array. The relative order of unique elements must stay the same. Return k, the number of unique elements. The first k positions of the array must contain the unique values. Only O1, extra space allowed, no auxiliary arrays. Examples. Array 1, 1, 2. Remove the duplicate 1. Result is 1, 2. Return k equals 2. Bigger example, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Unique elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Return k equals 5. The first 5 positions must contain these values. The rest don't matter. The two-pointer approach. The slow pointer tracks where the next unique value should go. The fast pointer scans ahead to find new values. Both start at index 1, index 0 is always unique. If the element at fast differs from the previous one, we found a new unique value. Copy it to the slow position, then increment slow. Fast always increments, it keeps scanning. At the end, slow is the count of unique elements. Let's dry run. Array is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Slow at 1, fast at 1. 0 equals 0, skip. Fast 2. 1 is different from 0. Copy 1 to position 1, slow becomes 2. Fast 3, 4, 1 equals 1, skip. Fast 5. 2 is different. Copy to position 2, slow becomes 3. Fast 6, skip. Fast 7, 3 is new. Copy, slow becomes 4. Fast 8, skip. Fast 9, 4 is new. Copy, slow becomes 5. Return 5. Array is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the rest doesn't matter. Here's the code. Edge case, empty array returns 0. Slow starts at 1, index 0 is always unique. Fast loops from 1 to the end. If the current element differs from the previous, it's a new unique value. Copy it to the slow position, increment slow. After the loop, slow is the count of unique elements. 5 lines of actual logic. Simple and clean. Visualize it. The fast pointer races ahead scanning for new values. Whenever it finds one, it gets copied to the slow position. Slow moves carefully, only advancing when a unique value is placed. At the end, the first k positions contain all unique values in order. Time is O(n). Single pass, the fast pointer visits each element exactly once. Space is O(1). In-place modification with just 2 pointer variables. This is optimal. You must examine every element at least once. The sorted array's advantage is that duplicates are always adjacent, so comparing with the previous element is sufficient. Know the variations, they come up in interviews. LeetCode 80, allow at most 2 duplicates. Same pattern, just change the condition to nums fast not equal to nums slow -2. LeetCode 283, move zeros. Same pattern. Slow tracks the next non-zero position. These are all instances of the slow-fast pointer pattern for in-place array filtering. Remember, sorted array plus remove duplicates equals slow-fast pointers. Slow tracks where to place. Fast finds what to place. Index 0 is always unique. Start from index 1. Simple problem, but write clean code with no off-by-one errors. If this helped, like and subscribe to AxDeVite. Next up, sort colors, the Dutch national flag problem. Until then, happy coding!